kanti la emkhontweni asinayo permanent structure, sinama interim structure. Ama comrade wahlele ukukhumbula ukuthi we are all interim structures. And the reason kaNxamalala yokwenza lokho ingoba wayihlakaniphe kakhulu ukuthi akungabi nomuntu ekuthiwa permanent esikhundleni. Akuthi kusasa mangaba sekune evidence ukuthi lo comrade okulesa sikhundla usethengiwe kube lula ngakusasa ukuvuka sithi awubeke phansi umshini akukuthathe lo aqhubeke.
Isiqoko phuma kumakarabha amataqonsele entshebeni ilephu siyaqandula. Ishow yethu namhlanje isiqandulo esikhuluma ngodaba le-appointment ka-SG omushasha macekeceke we-NK Party. Comrades Bonelo Nomvalo. Hey, ayikho. Ubi. Abaningi bazokhumbula ukuthi last week on Friday awuphela ngisho 7 days NK Party Ground Forces eThekwini bahlela umhlangano obanjelwa lapha eThekwini okwawukhona wacela wonke umuntu okuthiwa umkhonto wesizwe bekhona around KZN no national noma ubani bokuthiwa bekhona bomhlangano ongazange wehlakahleke kubaholi ke beqembu lomkhonto wesizwe okwenza ukuthi lawo bantu bagcine bebizwa ukuthi bama parallel lo mhlangano lo ke kuthiwa awukho semthethweni ngenxa ukuthi ubuholi bungahambisani nawo. Kodwa ke abanye babaholi abasekhundleni bebekwazi ukuphumelela kulo mhlangano including amanye ama region akhona la kwaZulu-Natal. So ke okunotiseke kakhulu okwenzeka kube khona emhlanganweni bokuhamasosha omkhonto wesizwe military veterans bebekhona impela ipresence yabo izwakele kakhulu okuyibona ke abantu kakhulukazi ababhekwe njengabantu esingasho sithi leqembu lomkhonto wesizwe lakhelwe phezukwabo futhi singasho sithi bayisisekelo nomgogodla weqembu lomkhonto wesizwe. So singabala uComrade Mshipheni abamningi bamazi ngokuthi uBhari amazi ukuthi uManzini okuyena ke uyi-head of security KZN umkhonto wesizwe aphinda abe member of national security aphinda abe khona futhi kwi-intelligence yomkhonto wesizwe naye uwomunye wama-comrade nama-veteran ebekhona ibalwa kulomhlangano obukhona ubanjele eThekwini oze wakuthola nje ukuthi lo lokuthi akhulume naye wasenda a strong message esenda ekuthenini i-leadership ephezulu eholwa ubabu President uJacob Zuma ayike ibalalela abantu kakhulukazi ama-ground forces uma ikhala especially nje obasezibheke okhethweni nje waphela ukuthi umkhonto wabantu asho amasoshathi wona umkhonto ebuye exile awubuyisela kubantu so kusho abanikazi bawo abantu abawuthatheke bawusebenzisa indlela yawo umkhonto isho njalo igama.
Siqale ukugqoka lesi skipa usabukwa njengesitha ngogqoke lesikipa. Asinankinga nabafikayo sidinga wonke umuntu omnyama but abangafiki nosimo lalabo ephuma khona. Akuyona political party lesiyona. It's a liberation movement. We want to liberate our people. Even if they can call us name, we will not back down and will not move back. Forward ever, backward never. Mabe funa ukumolula kalabantu bazolibona. Sibonile incwadi lenishayo. I think laba bebekhipha incwadi abayifundi ngazi constitution yomkhonto. Constitution yomkhonto ibeka clear ukuthi if ukhona singakoni kahle singamalungu omkhonto sinelungelo lokuhlangana sikhulume. But we will not be threatened by the cabals. Will not be threatened bayabantu abafuna ukubulala umkhonto ngenkani sithi kuba uNcamalala siyacela awukuzozwa amalunga akho ukuthi akuphathele ukukhohlakala okwenzeke emkhontweni and the agenda abanayo manje eyokudestroya wonke ama-comrade asukume nalo mkhonto kudestroya all comrade abasukume ngalesikhathi kuthiwa isitokfela sikaZuma. Namhlanje lawo ma-comrade aqanjwa amagama kuzothiwa besihlangene la sizokhipha ubuholi ngoba sifuna ikhulu thina-ke njengamasosha thina-ke njengesecurity asifune ikhula asihambi na-fiction sihamba nomkhonto ne-fiction kaNcamalala abasusi ngamagama amakhulu badidwa into eyodwa azikho ikhula la siseva amathafi. Two, abangaphenduli umkhonto ube ngabo umkhonto wabantu besingakhohlisa abantu masigijima sithi kubantu base-South Africa umkhonto uzoshintsha impilo zabo besikhuluma iqiniso esilithenjiswe uNcamalala futhi lelo qiniso sifune umuntu ozolijika alenze la into yakasiphuma sifuna umkhonto uhluke kuwo wonke lama-political party njengoba sasithenjisiwe futhi-ke siwuhlobo olubi thina amasosha uma usikhathile sikhathi asijili noma ungasisabisa noma ungasibulala as they kill uComrade uFish will stand futhi ukufa kukaFish kwasipha more power sifanya kakhulu bantu ngamafishane sembonga Maqabane ithemba lomkhonto ithemba labantu base-South Africa ithemba lezizukulwane eziyozemva kwethu likunina ama-ground forces.
Kushuthi ke awuphelanga ke u7 days ngoba ngolesine lelo lesiphuma kulona leadership ephezulu yomkhonto wesizwe ibize umhlangano ngokukhulu ukuphuthuma ubanjwe khona la eThekwini ubu-attendwe ubuholi ophezulu bomkhonto wesizwe sibala yena umengameli President Jacob Zuma sekela lakhe uComrade baba uThoni Yengeni bukhona ke no Secretary General baba uNcwango ubabu Nkosinathi Nhleko singabonala isekela lika baba uNcwango kuthiwa uDSG nabanye abaningi bebekhona kuleyo mhlangano singasho sithi bokuyi-press conference bobo bekumenywe nabezindaba bekhona ukuthi bazoyiswela ukuthi eziphi indaba ebeziqukethelwa ngoba beziyimfihlo bezi-very confidential ngale ndlela ukuthi nawe kade bebuzwa before umhlangano cha bevala imlomo bethi cha kuzozwakala khona mayisiqalile i-media briefing. Lana-ke ubaba-ke uNhleko umemezele iy'nguquko ey'khona with an immediate effect ngenxa yomhlangano lo wawubanjwe ngesonto elidlule wama-ground forces kube khona kushintsho-ke kunobhala jikelele womkhonto wesizwe ubabu Bongani Ncwango-ke udokotela esuswa esikhundleni-ke relieved of his duties wangena-ke uComrade Sibonelo Nomvalo. Siyamazi uComrade Sibonelo Nomvalo kwi-ad hoc committee laphana ePhalamende la irepresenta khona umkhonto wesizwe labe bathathu khona kukhona yena ubaba uSikhosana bese kuba khona-ke ubaba uShongwe uThulani Shongwe. Siyamazi kakhulu-ke insizwa ezinzima kabi ithimba elinzima eliphekanayo kakhulu ePhalamende lelo ngemibuzo elimele umkhonto wesizwe ngendlela enhle encomekayo kakhulu ePhalamende. So-ke ubabuke Comrade Sibonelo Nomvalo-ke uyena usezoba new Secretary General womkhonto wesizwe njengoba esethola kakhulu ukunconywa-ke kumsebenzi yakhe-ke lapho kwi-ad hoc committee uzathola-ke nethuba-ke lokunconywa-ke nokufiselwa inhlahla-ke usihlalo chairperson we-ad hoc committee uComrade Molapi Lekganyane oshiye amagama amnandi phela ukumfisela okuhle kodwa wazenza isibonelo ngobaba uComrade uWalter Sisulu wayekade uSecretary General we-ANC washo wathi ke ukuba uSecretary General uWalter wathi uyamshiya ekhaya uWalter Sisulu kodwa uhamba noSecretary General uyosebenzela iqembu. So ke ngalawo magama ke uyibongele kakhulu ubaba uNomvalo.
I have been a secretary before. I served 2 non-consecutive terms as a secretary of the African National Congress, and I had also served as a secretary of the South African Communist Party. The position of the secretary requires you to be the personification of your organization and a custodian of its values and principles. I want to refer you to a statement that we once made here that Walter Sisulu, when he was interviewed and asked what made him one of the best secretaries general of the ANC, he responded by saying that the day he was elected, he took Walter home to the Sisulus, and to the ANC, he took a Secretary General. I will also want to advise you that take Nomvalo home, Sibonelo home to the Nomvalos, and give the MKP the Secretary General that it desires. We want to wish you well in your new responsibility and hope that you will continue to be calm, composed, and calculated in the decisions that you take, and committed to the role that the organization has given you. The work of the secretary is not an easy work. Those who know it, most of them, they call it a thankless job, because you work as the secretary and build the organization when most of your comrades are deployed in government. And when conference comes, they unelect you from the position. So we want to wish you all the best. Have strength, courage, have that resilience, and make your party grow. Thank you so much. We will give you this opportunity to give your replies.
No, thank you very much. That was very profound. And once again, thank you for instilling the culture of political maturity. It's a culture that we must infuse in the DNA of our politics. We might be coming from different organizations, but we commonly come from the same African value system. And we must always embrace that at all times. So politics must not get into our heads. Politics must never spoil our humility. Politics must teach us that the only thing that we differ on is our perspectives, and it ends there. Beyond that, we are human beings. We share the very same values and systems. So I appreciate that, Chairperson. And I always regard leadership as not a right, but a privilege. So this is an invitation to a very huge task. It's not a right, but a privilege. It's a calling to which I must respond together with the collective that I will be executing the organizational task with. So in those few words, I appreciate these profound words. They are going to make a serious impact on how we approach the responsibility that we have been given. Thank you very much.
Siqhubeke ke kube khona ulushintsho ke kwaZulu Natal olulandelayo kube ke ukurelieve kuma duties zakhe kuSibusiso Hadebe okade secretary we province kwangena ke esikhundleni sakhe kubuyiswa ke comrade Simphiwe Mpongose obekade esekhishwe province esebenzela le kude waphinda wabuyiswa ke kwathiwa kaya abuyele ekhaya umsebenzi wamdinga ukuba secretary. So waphinda futhi eKZN kwakhishwa ku comrade uorganizer we province uReggie Ngcobo abaningi bamaziyo uMapholo baye wakhishwa ke ku-relieved of his duties naye ke kwangena ke endaweni yakhe ke uComrade Bhekizizwe Makhanya uzongena kwaMakhanya ke with an immediate effect a resume ama-duties akhe uorganizer we-province bese ziya ke ku-national head of elections ekade siphethwe uBongani Balukile losikhundla ke uBongani ke bayamrelieve naye ke with an immediate effect kungena uComrade Tholakele Dlamini endaweni yakhe. So ke njengoba ke sibheka ukhethweni shudle inguquko ezifakwa ngoba siya ukhethweni nje esibheke kulona lo masipala siyazi ke emphotweni wesizwe ke ukuthiwa ke abantu ke basuke benizwa ama-task ukuthi bawabambe isikhashana ayikho into permanent umuntu wesizwe into ezisikhashana. Uyechaza ke uComrade Mshipheni lendaba ukuthi why abantu benikezwe lesikhashana
kanti la emkhontweni asinayi permanent structure sinama interim structure ama comrade wahlele ukukhumbula ukuthi we are all interim structures and the reason kaNxamalala yokwenza lokho ingoba wayihlakaniphe kakhulu ukuthi akungabi nomuntu ekuthiwa permanent esikhundleni akuthi kusasa mangaba sekune evidence ukuthi lo comrade okulesa sikhundla usethengiwe kube lula ngakusasa ukuvuka sithi awubeke phansi umshini akukuthathe lo aqhubeke
injalo nje. Sibonge ke impela Sithembe ukuthi lezi nguquko zizosiza kakhulu iqembu lomkhonto wesizwe leading to ama local government elections ngoNovember. Sithi nje congratulations kulabo ke abathole ukuqokwa sithi nje hayi akusetshenzwe ke Sithembe ukuthi ke bazomela ukuthembeka iqembu lomkhonto wesizwe. Sithi nina ke isicela like and share i-content ni subscribe ku channel yethu Isiqandulo. Sithi shibirishi siyabonga ngokubuka. Danko salute. I'm out.